Tricky words set 12. G-O-O-D, good. G-O-O-D, good. G-O-O-D, good. This pizza tastes very good. A-G-A-I-N, again. A-G-A-I-N, again. A-G-A-I-N, again. Tom forgot his key again. I-L-L, I'll. I-L-L, I'll. I-L-L, I'll. I'll make pasta for dinner tomorrow. B-O-Y, boy. B-O-Y, boy. B-O-Y, boy. The boy loves playing with his kite. S-O-O-N, soon. S-O-O-N, soon. S-O-O-N, soon. We are going on holiday to Italy very soon. W-A-N-T, want. W-A-N-T, want. W-A-N-T, want. We want to visit the museum. C-A-T, cat. C-A-T, cat. C-A-T, cat. My lovely cat is very playful. R-O-U-N-D, round. R-O-U-N-D, round. R-O-U-N-D, round. The clock has a round face. A-N-I-M-A-L-S, animals. A-N-I-M-A-L-S, animals. A-N-I-M-A-L-S, animals. Sam loves reading and learning about animals. N-I-G-H-T, night. N-I-G-H-T, night. N-I-G-H-T, night. My dad and I love watching the stars at night. Thank you for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel.